You know, 50% of all people 45 years of age and older have hearing loss and don't even know it. As a musician, my hearing is very important to me, so when I found out I had hearing loss, I was very surprised. So you should really think about getting a hearing aid test. It can make a tremendous difference in your life. Come on in and see how easy it is.
Okay, so right here we've got a picture of your eardrum, and that's the malleus bone there that you see. That's the first bone in the middle ear that attaches to the eardrum and transmits the sound through to the cochlea in the inner ear. We see the cone of light down here, and your eardrum is nicely intact. There's no scarring, no tearing, no perforations. So we look like we're set to move on and do the next part of the test. All right, Wayne, so for this part, I'm going to play some beeps and we're going to determine how soft of sounds you're able to hear. It's from soft to loud, from high pitch to low pitch.
Okay.
And I'll just ask you to say yes every time you hear them, even if they're very, very quiet.
All right, all right.
Yes. Barely.
So for this next test, we're going to see how clearly you're able to hear words. So I'm going to play a whole series of words for you and just ask you to repeat them back.
All right.
Even if you're not quite sure what the word is, please just take your best guess.
Give my best shot. Okay.
You will say not.
Not.
You will say ran.
Ran.
Okay, Wayne, for this next test, we're going to determine how well you're able to separate speech from background noise. So you're going to hear a series of sentences, and there's going to be background noise which gets louder and louder with every sentence. You'll get to a point where you can't respond at all. That's okay. Just try your best. Even if you only hear one or two words in the sentence, please repeat those back.
All right, all right.
Here we go.
A white silk jacket goes with any shoes.
A white silk jacket goes with any shoes.
Yeah, I just barely hear that one. When I got my new hearing aids, it made a tremendous difference in my life. Now I can't even imagine going through life without them. To book your free hearing test, simply contact your nearest Davidson Hearing Center.